Yiso-ke bafethu i-squad lesi noma i-first starting lineup ezodlala ne-QPR, so expect ukuthi abanye bangene second half. Then sibonile-ke abafana bafethu izolo beyi-prepare for i-last game yabo kuyabanda-ke England. Niyabona lana bafethu iy'thombe zakhona ukuthi abafana vele they had to be warm, ama-gloves, ama-long sleeves, bavalile nasebusweni or ekhanda. Hhayi, ziyakhala eNgilandi bafethu, but yeah, they've done really well. They just have to finish lelo trip yabo ngewini ne-draw ayikho bad, but-ke nje they just have to make sure ukuthi bafinisha undefeated. They've done really well in terms of ukuthi oThulani Touch Mabaso bashaya amagoli bakwazi ukushaya o-Manchester United. Njengoba naye ashilo uThulani Touch Mabaso ku-media interview yakhe ukuthi bafuna ukumeka sure ukuthi bavala le trip lena kahle ku-positive note, and then bathathe i-motivation yalapha babuye nayo lana e-South Africa ukuthi bakwazi ukudefenda i-title yabo. Sithemba ukuthi njengoba ngihlezi ngisho ukuthi bafethu, sithemba ukuthi abafana bakwazile uku-advertise kahle, babonwa laphana eNgilandi, which is a big thing for youngsters to be seen. Siyazi ukuthi abanye bano-20, 21, abanye 19, 18, iminyaka nje i-different, but yeah, congratulations to the gents. I think bazobuyela eSouth Africa a day or two, so by Wednesday, lesingaki namhla, Saturday, Sunday, by Tuesday abafana-ke bathole ne-opportunity bafethu yokuya laphana ema-ofisini waku-English Premier League bawubona ikhaphu leli elidlalelwa o-Manchester United, o-Man City, o-Liverpool, and babe-inspired kakhulu-ke bafethu as they were taking pictures, and bahlangane namanye ama-legend-ke webhola walaphana ku-English Premier League, nabantu nje abenza izinto zenzeke behind the scenes. You could see it's all smiles from abafana. I-trip yabo iyiphupho for abafana abaningi laphana bafethu ukuthi baye laphana e-England, and then ba-achieve lokhu abaku-achieve-ayo ukuthi bayakwazi ukuwina ama-games. Njengoba bengihlezi ngisho bafethu ukuthi let's hope ukuthi khona babanothisile abafana no-Shepherd laphana in terms of ukuba u-coach, cause khona into ayishilo u-coach laphana uthe after igame, I think Manchester United bajime bonke nabe-Manchester United or Leeds United lapho nje babe into eyodwa ba-recover bonke, okushoyo okuveza ukuthi at the end of the day bafethu lesi sport and then sihlanganisa abantu. Yes, it's about winning, but at the end of the day it's just a sport. But yeah, I don't think abafana bebecabanga ukuthi bazobona ne-trophy yaku-English Premier League, one of the biggest trophies in the world. I-league enama-superstars angaka. I mean, this shows ukuthi you are closer to your dream, just that maybe sometimes you think you are far, but if you do something you get closer and closer to your dream. You're given an opportunity, uyakwazi uzi-advertise kahle, ubonise abantu ukuthi nawe uyakwazi ukucompete. Yeah, asibuyele i-squad-ini, uManqoba ozomena from ukuqala ebhentshini bafethu a couple of weeks laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs or even what is this competition, ku-DDC team, but gradually, slowly but surely-ke manje uyabuya laphana ku-first starting 11. Siyazi ukuthi is one of the most exciting players ku-Kaizer Chiefs. We don't know what was happening behind closed doors because of being ne-opportunity futhi ukuthi umfana ahambe aye kumaZulu because of u-Atazwana uyamazi, bekathi wathi u-Atazwana angathanda ukuba naye laphana, but we don't know what happened. But yeah, manje uyaqala, even scored, naye uyakwazi ukubasiza amajita laphana ukuthi akore. Udlala kahle kakhulu umfowethu. Yeah, I mean sesikhulumile ngabaningi bafowethu, but-ke abadlali abafana noNkwesa, uThulani, Hlongwane, then uHendricks laphana phambili, omunye umdlali exciting. I think udlala as i-striker esaphesheya bafowethu, uyafana ne-striker zaphesheya laphana. Is it uHendricks if ngilisho kahle igama lakhe? Ngibone enomndeni wakhe laphana eLondon, asazi did they fly or they flew to London or to the UK, man, ngingasho ukuthi London, to the UK, just to watch the boy onomndeni ngale. You never know, but-ke it shows ukuthi abanye eminye imindeni bafethu iyasapotana, they wanna make sure ukuthi their kids have i-backing yabo, ukuthi noma babe nama-challenges or either when they are close to success like this, imindeni yabo iba involved. Obviously-ke le nto lena i-encourage abafana ukuthi bazi ukuthi amane ekhaya bayangisapota, bakhona throughout this whole entire journey, bayakwazi ukungisapota and then bangifisela okuhle kuphela. Hey. inhlanhla-ke kazikuphi kubafana but sobona ukuthi khona abafana abazokwazi ukuba-sign-a cause ngeke kwenzeke manje. Ngingathatha let's say boma-6 months or so or next transfer window they just keep track of abafana ukuthi badlala kanjani laphana ku-Diski Challenge. Ngike ngamenshina ubani, bakhona abafana bebadlala ku-DDC team but-ke manje they move overseas. Or uTimba oqala ebhentshini, uTimba omunye abambheke kakhulu laphana e-Europe since-ke bayamfuna nalaphana nase-Belgium but-ke he starts from the bench. But omunye umdlalo o-exciting obhekiwe ukuthi angaba ne-future e-right kakhulu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, because of udlala nakuma-junior ranks. Hard luck to abantu abasele bafethu aboNeo Butlhoko, mfana omncane o-exciting. Ngizwile abanye abantu bakhuluma ngama-exam bathi basele abanye ngoba ama-exam even bo-Steve Mendes naye usele. Yeah, kube nama-complications nje, travelling complication ukuthi bangakwazi ukufeyisa o-Manchester United. I can imagine ngicabanga ama-teammates wakhe ayahamba maybe akutshela ukuthi adlale no-Manchester United wena usele, and for sure badlala one of the biggest stars. Abantu in the next 5 years futhi iningi bafethu, in the next 2 years bazoba abanye balaphana ku-English Premier League, bayitholile i-chance yoku-taste ukuthi kunjani ukudlala nabo and then bazibone ukuthi hayi siyaba-match-a labantu laba. It's about bona-ke manje abafana mebebuya bakwazi nabo uku-elevate-a igame yabo to the international standard kuphela. Danko bafowethu, sibafisela inhlanhla.